Good evening, friends. Welcome to a festival of student films, which we are organizing after a gap of 7 years. Probably some of our members were previously with members with of ICF. We had a Swedish film festival in the film chamber when, on the occasion of the arrival of Swedish ship Kotterberg in the Sweden comes to Chennai event. This time, thanks to the support given by the Honorable Ambassador and other colleagues in the embassy, we were able to have a package of very good films from Sweden. In fact, this we are negotiating for the last 1 year. I can see we are actively negotiating with the embassy officials, and thanks to Ms. Saloni and others, we were able to get this package, and that too all the films in Blu-ray. So friends, we are thankful to the Honorable Ambassador, Mr. Harald Sandberg, who has been kind enough to come over here, as well as the new consul, honorary consul, Mr. Arun Vasu, who said, Tangaraj, I am with you, don't bother all these things. We like to have a gift, a book on Tirukural with English translation written by Dr. Rajaram. I request Mr. Sriram to garland Mr. Purnima Pakiraj as well as with a book. May now request all the guests on the dais to light the traditional lamp.
First of all, let me thank you all very, very much for calling me here to inaugurate the Swedish Film Festival. I'm greatly honored to be part of ICF. I consider myself also to be a part of ICF, as I have been associated with them for the last 3 or 4 years in organizing the film festival, International Film Festival. And only after I have started coming to this festival have I had an awareness of a lot of foreign films. Unfortunately, I haven't got to see any of the Swedish films. I'm really, really very eager today to watch my first Swedish film.
The Indo-Swedish relationships go back a long time. Just to give you a little history, in 1731, the Swedish Navy vessel Ulrika Eleonora sailed from Gothenburg to Porto Nova near Pondicherry. The idea was to establish a factory for the new Swedish East India Company. However, the French and British were opposed to the meddling from outsiders and sent an expedition to evict the Swedes. There is also a historical legend that Jean-Baptiste Bernadotte, who in 1814 became King of Sweden, after having served as Marshal of France under Napoleon, spent several years in India in his youth. He would then have fought in the battle when Tipu Sultan and the French forces led by Lally captured Cuddalore. Taken prisoner by the British in Fort St. George, he later returned to France, embarked upon the career that would lead him to the Swedish throne. The Indian part of the story was never proved. 200 years later, another prospective Swedish statesman, Olof Palme, came to Mysore as a student leader and spent a short but formative time of his life living in Indian villages and visiting Indian universities. A sign of changing times, the first ones came to conquer and the last to learn and make friends. Since then, Sweden and India have had many friendly exchanges. It may be in business or cultural from both sides. One such exchange is through movies. I am therefore happy that the Indo-Cine Appreciation Foundation on several occasions have promoted Swedish films in South India, and that the Swedish Embassy today has come forward with a new genre of films not seen in India. Sweden's famous filmmaker Ingmar Bergman once said, I quote, "One thing that's so great about Sweden is the way new talents keep popping up, both in theatre and in filmmaking."
I am really delighted to see you here. It's fantastic to be in a city with the living love affair with cinema, and I hope you enjoy the films as much as we enjoy bringing them to you. Thank you.
We will be failing our duty if you do not honor Ms. Sina Vasu. So we request our president to garland and give a memento to Ms. Sina Vasu as a special guest who has come over here today.
I should make one suggestion and one request. One thing which Sweden is pretty famous about is giving of Nobel Prize. They keep giving it year on year. So the subjects under which they give is literature, medicine, physics, chemistry. This was the original thing. Then peace and economics also joined. The Norway also joined, Norwegian committee also joined in giving there. But it has been too long the same subjects. They should expand it. They should include a few more subjects. I would suggest films definitely can be one. And other than that, of course, there can be other areas which are all emerging where they can think of, because it has become very static, in terms of the subjects on which they get. There are other people who deserve to be called a Nobel laureate, because that's the biggest of the achievements. Now, the second is a request. That being, we want a package of Ingrid Bergman films for our Chennai International Film Festival this year. We every year have a country focus, and we show films from a particular country or a particular director, and we would request the ambassador that he may kindly arrange for us the films of Ingrid Bergman, at least 5 or 6, if it's possible. And that will be, the Chennai film audience will definitely love and remember it for a very long time. So this is a suggestion and a request. Now I should come to the vote of thanks for which I am called upon. I thank the ambassador for coming all the way from Delhi to inaugurate this film festival.
Grundarna av fildelningssajten Pirate Bay. Idag möter de media.
Vad skulle en fällande dom i flera instanser kunna leda till?
Omfattande den här verksamheten är. För det här är 5 verk under 6 månader. Pink Panther, Syriana, det är en Harry Potter-film, Prison Break och Walk the Line. Det finns inga tveksamheter i vad de har gjort. De har bedrivit en kommersiell verksamhet. De har ju tjänat pengar på detta.
Nu har domen kommit i Pirate Bay-målet och vi är på plats, klockan är 11.
Det blir alltså fängelse i 1 år för alla de 4 åtalade. Brottet heter, läser jag här...
dear friends. We are meeting today to discuss one of the hot issues right now in the European Parliament.
Thank you very much for having me here. I think it's very brave to invite me here, because I've been a pain in the ass for the copyright industry for quite a long time. I am one of the spokespersons for the Pirate Bay. The Pirate Bay is the largest peer-to-peer file sharing system in the world. It's 10 times larger than Napster was at its peak, and it's still growing.
1, 2, 3, 4.